This is a demonstration of JLG Digital. If you click on Destiny Quest and then choose the middle school, and once you've done that, under ebook pleasure reading, choose JLG eBooks and Audiobooks. You'll notice that there is an app available if you have an iOS device. At this time, there is not an Android app available. You're automatically logged into the middle school stream. You should log into your personal account, which is just using your network password that you use to log into the dashboard. You do not need the @WASD. If your personal account does not show up, let me know through Schoology, and I will make sure you get added. Once you're signed in, it will show you all of your recently read items, and you can go back and see all of those items. You can go back and look at the bookmarks that you've added, and get back to where you were. So as you look at the stream, it will tell you how many days are remaining on the books that are in the stream. Every book is here for between 60 and 90 days, and new books come in every month. So at the beginning of each month, there are new books available here. And if you choose a book, you can either click on the cover or where it says read. It tells you how many pages are there. You see that there are other people's ratings of the book. There's a description of the book. And then to open the book, you click read. And it is just like flipping through a book page by page. You can click the arrows, or if you want to go to a specific page down here at the bottom, you can type the page number and go to page 5, for example. And you can read here. You're able to add sticky notes, highlight text, add bookmarks. You can click the magnifying glass and zoom in, or you can zoom with your mouse. And then when you are finished, you can close the book and go back to another book. To close the book, you actually just have to close the tab, and that'll take you back to the stream, and click the back arrow to look at other books. When you're finished, just make sure you log out, and you're all set. So if you have any questions, make sure to message me through Schoology, and I will be glad to help you out. Have a great day.